10. What is the best battery for a Ford F-150 2025? Let's dive into the details. Number 10. F-150 Mustang negative battery terminal clamp and nuts. Are frustrating starting issues plaguing your F-150, Explorer, or even a GM Impala? Say goodbye to unreliable ignitions and inconvenient breakdowns. Our premium negative battery terminal clamp is your expert solution. Engineered as a direct replacement for BT4Z 14450BA, it establishes a secure, reliable power connection crucial for consistent, trouble-free starts. Crafted from high-quality, rigorously tested materials, this clamp is built to meet or exceed stringent OEM standards, guaranteeing long-lasting durability and invaluable peace of mind. It offers a perfect fit for a wide range of popular vehicle models, ensuring broad applicability. For the smoothest installation process, we highly recommend watching a helpful YouTube video. Simply verify your specific vehicle model and the OEM part number to confirm compatibility and confidently enjoy dependable starts every time. Number 9. Ford Lincoln Negative Battery Terminal, 2010 to 2023. Experiencing electrical issues with your Ford or Lincoln? Upgrade with our premium negative battery terminal. This isn't just a replacement part. It's an investment in your vehicle's reliability and safety. Engineered for a perfect, seamless fit across popular models like the F-150, Explorer, Fusion, and Lincoln MKX, 2010 to 2023, it directly replaces OEM numbers, ensuring hassle-free installation. You'll appreciate its advanced safety features, providing precise overload protection and instant circuit breaking to safeguard your expensive electronics from damaging short circuits or excessive currents. Crafted from high-quality copper, it guarantees extremely low resistance, boosting starting performance and ensuring efficient, durable power delivery for years to come. Drive with confidence, knowing your electrical system is protected. Number 8. XS Power D30 Deep Cycle AGM Battery. Unlock serious power and unwavering reliability for demanding applications with the XS Power D30 Deep Cycle AGM Battery. Featuring advanced, sealed AGM technology, it ensures completely maintenance-free, leak-resistant performance and an extended, durable lifespan. Perfect for high-demand Japanese/European vehicles or any custom setup, it effortlessly powers everything from extreme cold weather starts, 1012 cca, to high-end audio and demanding secondary systems up to 4000W. With a robust 80 amp-hours and a massive 3,300 max amps, this compact, lightweight Group 34 powerhouse delivers unmatched versatility and consistent energy, backed by a 3-year warranty. Experience superior, reliable performance, simplified. Number 7. Ford F-150 and Mustang Battery Hold-Down Kit. Ensure your vehicle's power source stays firmly in place with our premium battery hold-down kit, expertly designed for your Ford F-150, Mustang, and many other models. Compatible with a broad range of 1987 to 2018 Ford, 1990 to 2018 Lincoln, and 1990 to 2011 Mercury vehicles, finding the right fit is straightforward. We even provide key replacement numbers like 6C2Z10756A to guarantee perfect compatibility, avoiding installation headaches. Crafted from platinum-quality materials, each kit undergoes rigorous testing to ensure unparalleled durability and stable performance, promising a significantly longer lifespan than standard alternatives. This isn't just a replacement part. It's an investment in your vehicle's reliability and your peace of mind. Drive confidently, knowing your battery is secure no matter the road ahead. Number 6. 12V18AH Rechargeable SLA AGM Battery. Looking for reliable, hassle-free power? Meet the ML18-12 SLA 12V18AH Rechargeable AGM Battery, your ultimate power solution. This UL-certified, maintenance-free powerhouse delivers consistent energy without the fuss. Its spill-proof design means you can mount it in any position, making integration a breeze even in tight spaces, 7.12 inches by 3.00 inches by 6.50 inches, using the simple nut and bolt terminals provided. Engineered for durability, it bravely resists shocks and vibrations, performing flawlessly across a wide range of temperatures. Experience its high discharge rate, long service life, and impressive deep discharge recovery, ensuring your critical applications stay powered longer. Plus, Your investment is protected with a full 1-year warranty. Get dependable power, peace of mind, and performance that truly lasts. Number 5. LiCB 27A12V Alkaline Batteries, 5-pack. Ever had your remote die at the worst moment? The LiCB 27A12V Alkaline Batteries are here to deliver unwavering power exactly when you need it. Crafted with grade A cells and rigorously tested to CE and RoHS standards, these batteries guarantee longer life and consistent, full 12-volt performance right out of the pack. With an impressive 3-year shelf life, they're always ready. Perfect for crucial devices like car alarm controls, garage door openers, glucose monitors, or your favorite electronics and toys. This convenient 5-pack ensures you're never left powerless. Trust LiCB 27A for reliable energy that keeps your essential devices running flawlessly. Just double-check your device requires 27A for a perfect fit. Number 4. F-150 Escalade Positive Battery Terminal Clamp Upgrade. Is your F-150, Edge, or Expedition experiencing starting issues? Don't settle for unreliable connections. Upgrade to our F-150 Escalade Positive Battery Terminal Clamp, the premium 926 to 730 direct replacement for HU5T 14450CA. This isn't just a part, it's a genuine OEM original design for a perfect, hassle-free fit, restoring robust power to your vehicle. We've made installation incredibly easy and professional. Each kit includes an automotive-grade 6mm nut and 2:1 heat shrink, ensuring a secure, lasting connection. Beyond direct compatibility with F-Series and SUVs, it's also a superior solution for Navigator, NKZ, Focus, Fusion, Flex, Impala, Taurus, and many others. Eliminate frustrating electrical gremlins and enjoy reliable starts with this expert-recommended upgrade. Quick installation guides are readily available online. Number 3. Ford Silverado Positive Battery Terminal. Is your truck struggling with unreliable power or slow starts? Upgrade to our premium Ford Silverado Positive and Negative Battery Terminal set, engineered for a perfect match on your F-250, F-350, F-450, or Silverado 1500 to 3500. Crafted from high-quality, sturdy materials, these terminals ensure excellent conductivity for efficient current transmission, actively extending your battery's lifespan and guaranteeing reliable power every time you turn the key. Forget frustrating, tool-heavy installations. This kit is designed for simplicity, requiring no additional tools, and includes a handy 6mm auxiliary column and nut for effortless accessory wire connections. Save valuable time and effort, restoring optimal, dependable power to your pickup with confidence. Number 2. Heavy-Duty Truck 3-Post Battery Terminal. Tired of unreliable starts and power interruptions in your heavy-duty truck? Our 3-post positive battery terminal is the robust solution you've been looking for. Engineered for a perfect, hassle-free fit, it's compatible with Ford Super Duty F-250/F, 350/F, 450, and Silverado 1500/2500/3500, OE, 926 to 603 BT4Z, 14450SD, guaranteeing a seamless replacement. Crafted from highly conductive metal, this terminal ensures optimal current transmission, preventing common power issues and significantly extending your battery's lifespan. You'll experience consistently improved starting reliability and a stable electrical system. Installation is incredibly easy with 3 integrated 6mm auxiliary posts and a direct replacement design. No special tools required, saving you precious time and effort. Get back on the road with unwavering confidence. Number 1. Ford F-150 Battery Terminal and Fuse, 2011 to 2014. Is your Ford F-150's electrical system needing a refresh? Restore peak performance with our precisely engineered battery terminal and fuse combo pack, specifically for 2011 to 2014 models. This comprehensive kit includes both positive and negative battery terminals, BT4Z, 14450AA/BA, and the essential battery fuse terminal, L3Z, 14526AA. We understand your truck demands reliability. That's why every component undergoes rigorous factory testing and strict quality inspections. We even double-check before it leaves our facility. You're getting excellent workmanship, ensuring stable, long-lasting power delivery and peace of mind on every journey. Upgrade confidently knowing you have an exact fit, high-quality solution engineered to keep your F-150 running strong. Always verify fitment for your specific vehicle before purchase. So, that sums up my 10 what is the best battery for a Ford F-150. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time.